Welcome back to the channel. As you guys have seen by the title, as you guys have seen by the thumbnail, those are all pictures of my current situation. If you clicked on this video, you are probably in the same situation that I'm in, and you keep falling back to your old ways. Let me introduce myself and a little bit about me. My name is Nando. I'm a 23-year-old father. I started my self-development journey and my content creation, I want to say around 6-7 months ago. The reason why I started was because I wanted to change. There's so many things going on around me. I got people that I want to save. There's problems that my family hasn't solved for generations that I want to solve. Maybe you think the same. I realized that I have a bigger purpose in life. My purpose is to help the people around me. My purpose is to be that one from my family to change the entire trajectory of their lives, to show them things that they've never seen, to inspire millions of people through my experiences. I'm currently going through the worst times of my life. I'm currently at rock bottom. You guys have seen by the thumbnail. I am in debt over damn near $10,000. Credit cards maxed out, and I got my tax return not so long ago, and I owe like over $5,000. To the average person, they would crumble under my shoes. To the average person, they would give up instantly. They wouldn't have that sense of urgency. They wouldn't have that fire within them to show up regardless. I am still working a 9 to 5 while managing my content, while managing my trading. For those of you guys who don't know that as well, for those of you guys who are new, my whole content is about my trading journey. Yes, I've based my channel on that, but I share messages of my journey. I share my experiences with people throughout those videos as well. And I don't want to make it about trading, but for those of you who follow me for the trading aspect, I just want you guys to know that everything ties down together, right? Trading and life and all these things, right? But I don't want to fall off track. But the thing is, I show up regardless. For those of you who've been following my journey, I show up no matter what. There's moments where I just feel like everything is going against me. I feel like the world is just coming towards me. But that's when you keep on pushing. I say this a lot to my audience and to the people around me, right? And I heard this from, I think it was Alex Hormozy, and I keep saying this quote all the time. Pretty much think about your current situation as the story you're gonna tell one day. I take that into perspective and I pretty much dial in and don't let anything drag me down. There's moments where I don't want to show up. There's moments where I just don't want to pick up the camera and record. The only way you're going to change your life and the life of those around you is by showing up day in and day out. There's a reason why I keep growing as a creator, even though my content is solely based on trading. People love the journey. People love the grind. If you are in my current shoes, there is hope. Trust me, I didn't believe in myself 6 months ago. I was 230 pounds. I was overweight. I was a version of myself who didn't believe in me. But I came across some videos, some people I related to, some people that were going through the same things, and it inspired something in me. You have what it takes to change your reality. And you know this, but you don't act on it because of fear, because of doubt, because of lack of accountability. The thing that has turned my life around is accountability and is consistency. Being accountable, showing up for yourself day in and day out. Consistency compounds. Small wins are going to compound day in and day out. Trust me. I know it's hard. I am a father. I have a son that I want to make proud. I have a son that I want to give everything to. I have this urgency in me. It's something that I can't fail my son, right? I got people that depend on me. I want to save my parents. I want to change their mentality. I want to change their mindset. I want to show them the world that they've never seen. Coming from a Hispanic family, I mean, all they know is work, work, and work, right? They've never experienced many things. And I shared this on previous videos. Like, I am the pillar of my family. I'm going to change their life no matter what it takes. No matter what it takes. The mentality that you need to have is something out of this world. You have to believe in yourself. You gotta be accountable. You gotta be consistent. Without those things, it's like you're not going to change your current situation and the situation of people around you. Your 9 to 5 is only going to get you so far, right? And I'm not bashing on the jobs and none of this stuff, because I'm still working a job, right? I am pursuing a high income skill when it comes to trading. You guys can start somewhere. It could be social media. It could be a vision that you have in the back of your head that you hesitate to start. Just fucking go for it. Go all in. The fear of missing out, the fear of failure is going to keep you in the same position. Trust me, I was a kid who was overthinking every single moment of his fucking life. I used to cut hair when I was 15. I was going crazy. I don't know if you guys know who Vic Blends is, but he's a very well-known barber in the industry. And when I was 16 or 17, I don't recall, he liked one of my stories. I never saw that notification. And I gave up on myself. If I would have seen that, I would have kept on going. I would have started recording videos. The only reason why I started now is because I told myself I'm not going to let my younger self down. I'm not going to live with that regret. Regret is going to kill you more than the pain of showing up. Trust me, there's days where I'm sore, where I can't fucking move. But I'd rather live with this pain than the pain of regret. Anything is possible. We've heard this countless of times if you watch motivational videos, all these Instagram reels and all these influencers. Bro, there's a reason why the most successful people repeat the same things. Once you change your fucking perspective, once you step away from your little circle and you see life in the bigger picture, you're going to understand that as simple as it is, it's very effective. Trust me, for me, I tell my friends, like, step back, look at the people around you. There's people damn near 50. There's people damn near the age of my grandma. As my co-workers. For those of you who are young, you probably got a co-worker that is the same age as your father or your mother. Think about what's going to happen to you if you don't create your own fucking reality. You're gonna be stuck there. You're gonna be that old man at the job site. You're gonna be that old lady at the job site. What does it take for you to not be there? It starts by taking action today. We've heard this countless of times. Trust me, you guys can go check my journey. You guys can go check my videos from way back. I've been having this mentality. I'm not even near my goal. I'm not even making money off of YouTube, and I'm so fucking hungry. I got this fire in me to just keep growing and keep elevating. My whole purpose, the whole thing that ties everything together is that I know God gave me this vision, this purpose now. Before I started to do all this social media, I was lost. I had anxiety. I was depressed. I had all these things piling up against me, right? I was overweight, like I mentioned, and I was just hiding in the comforts of this world. I was vaping. I was smoking weed. I was eating fast food every day. When the anxiety kicked in, I either had to eat or sleep. I was a victim to the comfort of the world. Every night, I would feel this uncomfort within me in my chest. It would not let me sleep. I knew I was doing something wrong. I was living my life without a meaning, without a purpose. I would cry myself to sleep because I would waste time scrolling. And I knew this in the back of my head. I knew I had so many things to get done. I made so many false promises to myself that I'm going to start today. I'm going to go on a run. And I never fulfilled them. I was not accountable. And for me, faith is a very big thing. I got it tatted on my wrist, and I just pretty much, like, my faith is big, right? And I knew that I needed to make a change, right? I built a relationship with God, and just pretty much ever since then, I found my purpose, right? And I'm not going to stop. I want to change the life of those around me. Even though that I'm going through the worst moments, I still keep on pushing. I still keep on going. For those of you who are here for the trading, today I lost my combine. If you don't know what a combine is, it's pretty much a prop firm. It's an evaluation. If you pass a certain evaluation, you get funded, you get some funds to start trading, and then you could make some withdrawals with that, right? And I failed. This is my 8th evaluation that I failed, right? It's demoralizing. It's fucking hard. It's a harsh reality to face, right? But if I don't show up, if it's easy to quit. If I just quit, I'm never going to see what my full potential was at. Trading can bring some generational wealth type of money, bro. Like, trust me, trading can make you a lot of money. But besides the point, like, what I want to say is, if you really want to change your life, you're not going to quit easily. You're going to show up day in and day out. That's what's going to separate you from the rest of the individuals around you. You know, there's a reason why you clicked on this video. There's a reason why you feel that within you have a higher purpose. But you're not accountable. You're not consistent. Once you correlate those two things together, man, you're unstoppable. Accountability keeps you consistent, and vice versa. Consistency keeps you accountable, because you show up every day, you become accountable, right? And like I like to use this analogy a lot. It's like, how you do one thing is how you do everything, right? If I'm accountable, if I'm consistent in my daily life, when it comes to the content, I'm going to be accountable and consistent. I post daily on my Instagram, on my YouTube, daily. You guys can go check the dates. I did have a slump where I was not posting, but I keep on showing up. Nothing is going to change if you just dream about it. Trust me, I was a dreamer for so long. I would see all these people accomplishing all these things, and I'm like, damn, why can that be me? And I would complain to the world. I would complain to God, why them and not me? Until I realized, like, bro, they're out here working. They're out here putting in the fucking effort. You're not doing shit. Until I realized that shit, my life started to change. Your life can change too if you start taking action. For those of you who stuck to the end of the video, I can't thank you guys enough for watching this. This is a very vulnerable video from my part, because at the end of the day, I mean, it's a lot of stuff that I'm going through, right? And it's some stuff that I don't even share with the people around me, right? But it's my story, right? Like I said earlier, it's the story that I'm telling. I'm going through a lot mentally, emotionally, and it played a huge role when it came to my combine. I lost the combine for the simple fact that, I mean, my emotions were not there. I overtraded. I missed the thing with my trading today was that I missed my entry point, and it went downhill from there. I was caught chasing price, and the thing that really messed with me was that the tax refund shit, like the amount of taxes that I owe is crazy, because like, bro, $5,000 in tax, me owing $5,000 in taxes, even though I had a high percentage for them to take away, I didn't even make more than 50K. And it's like, damn, like, even with the percentage that I had, I barely made it through. Now I gotta increase that percentage and see how my finances and all this shit goes. It's like, it's crazy, right? But we are going to go back to the basics. I'm going to go back into the vlogs format pretty soon, probably tomorrow. But stay tuned for the combine. It's gonna come next week. I'm going to reset these next upcoming days. I have a 3-day weekend. I'm off Saturday, Sunday, Monday. But we're going to reset. We're going to change everything, right? We're going to start from the bottom up. I still have the Top Step account where I can still practice. So like, it's demo, but like in the same combine, it gets rebuilt until the 24th or the 27th, but I can still use their practice features. So I'm going to use that, and I want to say by Monday I'm going to reset the account, and we'll go from there, right? But yeah, I just want to let you guys know that it doesn't matter how hard it is. Punch back harder, bro. Hit back harder. Like, life is gonna come at you, bro. Trust. If you keep on going, if you keep on pushing, eventually you're gonna set yourself free. And you're gonna break through that level, right? I love every single one of you guys. Thank you for watching the video. If you guys want to learn how to trade, if you guys want to join a community of like-minded individuals where I keep myself accountable and those around me accountable, you guys can check the link down below in my description. You guys can follow me on my Instagram. I document since the moment I wake up to the moment that I sleep. If you guys need that little extra motivation, I spill a lot of knowledge on my Instagram. I love every single one of you guys. I'll see you on the next video.